Good afternoon guys and welcome back to Online Learning. Today I've got something really special for you. We're going to be making cookies. Yay! So the first things first, what you need to do is sorry my brother is recording this and he's laughing at me as we do this because that's what brothers do, right? So first things first, you need to sanitize your bench space, which I've already done. Then you need to go wash your hands, which I've already done too. And then prepare all your lovely ingredients for your cookies. So, me and my brother love to make Betty Crocker cookies because they're just so delicious. Any way you cook them, whether you overcook them slightly or undercook them, they're just perfect. So for that, you just look it up on the internet, mums and dads. But for that you'll need flour. I got sugar and brown sugar. You'll need 2 types of sugar. Baking soda. I've got salt, butter, an egg, and some vanilla essence. I've also got some pecans here, which I just found in the cupboard, and I was like, yum. So we're going to make pecan and chocolate chip Betty Crocker cookies. You'll also need a mixing bowl. I haven't got a spoon just yet. You'll need some measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a knife to cut the butter, but that's for mums and dads to do, and a scales to weigh the butter, which I've already done. So you need 227 grams, which I've pre-melted for us. Grab a spoon, mixing spoon. You also need to preheat the oven. Now please disregard this oven because the